This is how you do Joe Dispenza's Tuning into New Potentials meditation. It is one of my favorite meditations of all time. So I'm going to share in very simple terms how you can do it properly. So this meditation comes from his book, Becoming Supernatural, which we are reading in my monthly spiritual book club. So check that out, linked in my profile. We are doing the meditations together. We have weekly reflections. We have live Q&A. You guys, it's so fun to do Daddy Joe work in community. Like, I don't know how to explain it to you, but I love doing it with my friends. And then I was like, let's just open it to everyone. Like, why not? So anyway, this is called the Tuning into New Potentials meditation. And the whole idea is you need a clear intention and an elevated emotion. Like, you need to feel elevated emotion, and that equals to a new energy or a new version of you and a new version of your reality. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get clear on what you want. Like in this example, Dr. Joe Dispenza is giving his example of his son who wanted to manifest a new job. So he wrote, he wants to work from anywhere in the world. He wants to make the same amount of money or more. He wants a specific contract for 6 months to a year. He wants to love what he does. And he wants to be his own boss and leads his own team, right? So these are all of the physical thoughts we have about what we want to manifest. So you can write whatever comes to your mind when you think about your manifestation. So if you want to manifest love, for example, you can write down the qualities of your partner under the intention, right? And then we go to the elevated emotion. And this is when it gets interesting, because Joe Dispenza is like, almost all of the manifestation comes down to the same elevated emotion. And it always comes down to love, gratitude, freedom. He also wrote here, in love with life. And so if you think about manifesting money or manifesting love or manifesting a new career path, whatever it is, like manifesting travel, it all comes down to the same elevated emotion, which is why a lot of Joe Dispenza's work is just feel the feelings of your future. And what is the feelings of the future that we want? There's always going to be love there. Love is always sort of like that, common thread of emotion that, brings your future to you in the present moment. So there's always going to be love there. You always want to be in love with life. I also like to add like joy and pleasure, because that's something that I love experiencing, beauty, right? But it always comes down to the same elevated emotion. So once you have written your intention down, which is the thoughts that you have of your manifestation, then you're going to write down the elevated emotion. So once you're done with that, you're going to give your manifestation a letter. Sorry, I didn't mean to like do that to you guys. But anyway, you're going to give your manifestation a letter. So in this case, Joe Dispenza's son wrote J for job, right? New job, J. And then you're going to do the 2 squiggly lines surrounding the alphabet. And then you're going to do his Tuning into New Potentials meditation. During that meditation, he's going to instruct you to send the signal out. And when he says send the signal out, you're actually going to imagine this letter sort of like being sent out to the quantum field, and it's almost like ordering your manifestation to the universe. You will get better the more that you do this meditation. The more you practice, the more you do it, and the more you think of your intentions, think of your thoughts, and then think of your elevated emotions. Like not think of your elevated emotions, but feel those feelings in your body, the more that your manifestation is going to find you. So the whole idea is that you don't have to look for anything. Like, all you have to do is just close your eyes, think of your intentions, feel the feelings of your emotions of the future, your feelings of the future, and then allow the experience to find you. So the story in this book is actually so fun. You guys have to read it because it's a long story. But of course, he got his job, and it was even better than he expected because he just focused on the elevated emotion and his intentions. He is not overly attaching himself to an outcome. He's just thinking about the emotion right now. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have done this meditation or if you're going to do it. And if you want to be a part of a community, follow my book club because we're reading Becoming Supernatural in the month of June. All right, bye.